welcome back, everybody. Cause we need you guys to be back. Anyway, so here we are. We have just gotten some more science. I was just doing, a typical get into orbit fairy person. See, Joltina Kerman went with us. We now have a little bit more science. 74. So we could get batteries. We could get some plane stuff. I don't know exactly which one I want to get more. I really like the idea of having struts because I use a lot of struts. I think we're going to go with the thermometer so we can get more science. So now we have 280 something or other. Whoa, wrong button. We have 280 something monies. We could do that one. Well, we can't do that one. We cannot do that one. Cannot do that one. Cannot do that one. Cannot do that one. We could do that one. We can't do that one. We can't do that one. So we could, I guess we could do this one. Patched conics visible map. So this allows you to do a little bit more stuff in there. But I don't think we're gonna do that right now. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so what we're going to try and do this episode is we're going to try and do a flyby of the Mun. And actually, to do that, I do want the patched conics, so I can try and hopefully that means I will be able to set a trajectory and everything like that, which would help get that kind of stuff. So now all of these things. First orbit flight debris, get rid of that. Yes, terminate that. Tourist time debris, recover that. Recover that. Recover that. This one is on a suborbital trajectory. Yeah, well, just terminate it instead of waiting for it. So it looks like we can do that. And then we also need to go here. But we've been trying to get to the Mun for a while now. So I'm gonna design a rocket that can get us to the Mun, and then we will be back. Alrighty. So after much trial and much error, and much more trial and error, we are going to go ahead and launch this guy, and hopefully it'll work properly. And I want to see like how well these work. So are you ready? 3 and 2 and 1, go. Yeah, most of it goes out that side and that side and that side. That's good. But it still kind of goes out in a circle. Kind of just the platform just pulls all that smoke out away and all that excess I don't know, whatever solid fuel that's being burned out the bottom of those rockets. Really, Jebediah is really happy. He doesn't have too much G-force on him. Okay, let's check this. Let me pull open that, I guess. Oh. I didn't put that on there, I don't think. Oh, we should have turned over long ago. Let's do a quick turn here. We're only at 33,000. Okay, let's just keep on going. Keep on going. And so we're gonna take one of those, and that doesn't give us any science basically, so we're not gonna do it. We are gonna log the temperature though, and I think I want to do a crew report. That doesn't give me anything. Okay. Am I in the upper atmosphere or the lower atmosphere? I'm in the upper atmosphere. Okay. Yeah. So I'll just keep those for later. Okay. We're getting up there. Getting up there. But we are not quite there yet. Okay. Oh, yeah, I should probably do it like that, huh? Okay. Can I do that? Nope. Okay, let's break off there. Let's go ahead and add a maneuver here. That will get us out here, and then I kind of want to do this. Whoa, nope. I want that to be roughly there. And that'll be good enough, right? So now we wait. Estimated burn 38 minutes. Okay. Is it really gonna? Ho 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 ho. Okay, much better. Much better. Hopefully we have enough fuel for this, and if we don't, well then I'll just go back in time and we'll redo the launch, because I think I might have launched pretty badly. I think that might be why we're doing so bad on our resources right now. Oh yeah, we're in space. Go ahead and observe one of those and take a temperature. Log a temperature. Okay. We still have almost 300 fuel and we're almost into orbit, which means we should be able to do this just fine, hopefully. Still a big, huge hopefully in there. And kill it. Kill that. So you're at 49,000, you're at 80,000. Okay, there we go. Now we click on the mun, hit that set as our target button, and I do believe it'll be right about here at this. That we will want to go out like that, and we want to hit just like that, just so that we barely get into that, and then we come right on back. So that's the way we're gonna do it. And I do think we have enough like fuel for that, but I am not sure, to be honest with you. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here, and did we already do all of these things? We did all these things. Did we do you? Yeah, you don't give me anything. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of zoom around the planet here to the other side. I wonder if these Kerbins, yeah, I wonder where the Kerbins come from. Like, does Jebediah come from on the other side of the planet, or does he come from near the space center? Like, is that why he's such a cool Kerbin? Is because he comes from the city by, well, the city, quote unquote, that's by the space center? I don't know. These are questions that have no answers, questions that do not necessarily need answering. Okay, so let's keep an eye on our fuel. As long as we can get there and we have like 20 or 30 fuel left, we should be able to get home. So, fingers crossed, fingers on the X button actually. Okay, I'm gonna stop it there. Wait, what? Why is that there like that? Okay, we did it, we're gonna be there, Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom on out to right before this place. We want to get some science from deep space outside of Kerbin's sphere of influence. Well, deep space inside Kerbin's sphere of influence, I guess you'd call it. Or I guess they'd just call it high over Kerbin, right? So let's go in here. And let's check this out. Observe the mystery goo. So that gives me 15 science while in space high over Kerbin. Now what do you have? Review the data. You have 2.3 science? Yeah, reset that. Now review that data. You got 7 science. Okay, we'll keep that. Now let's take a look here. Oh. 8 science for space near. 7 in the upper atmosphere. Redo that, and let's look. 12 science for in space high over Kerbin. That's kind of cool. Okay, so now we just need to zoom on through, get into this point here, gather some science from around the Mun. Oh wait, we're high in space now. I think I can do a new crew report. Yeah, I can, which means I can probably do an EVA. EVA report. Yeah, so now we go here. We're going to take that data and we're going to board. And that leaves us now we can do another crew report. Yeah. Okay, so let's zoom on through and get to our node here. Once we get into around the Mun, we will start doing Mun science. Mun science heat. Okay, we are now here. We will now do some science around the Mun. 20 science, that's great. Which one's you? You're the one that's worth 12. You're only worth 8. Let me see if I can... That gives me 16. That's great for me. 50. What? 10. Do an EVA. Stay attached, please. Take data. Okay, we're gonna have you let go. Hit this. And we are going to have you take all of the data from everywhere. Okay, collect data. Collect data. Now where is that? Where is that? Take data. Okay. Collect data. Log temperature. Oh, there we go. Now I can have take the data. Okay, there we go. We have taken all of the datas. I wish we did have Data. Data's a cool character from Star Trek, in case you guys didn't know. And if you don't know anything about Star Trek, well then you, like me, are too young. And by too young, I mean you haven't watched Star Trek. And you probably should. Because it's great. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at our reviewed science. We got 16 science there, 12 science there, 7.5 science there, 10 science there, 20 science there, 50 science there, 12 science there, 15 science there. So we have got plenty of science. Okay, now we just gotta make sure that we actually get home. So if I go like that, oh, what is our my paraps is, oh, my paraps is gonna be 60,000 right there. Okay. Oh, I have no battery. Why is my battery dying? Oh, I'm still in. Okay. Why is my battery dying? I don't understand. It's okay. It's okay. We're all gonna survive. What just happened? How did we get all the way? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we're gonna add him over there, and we're just gonna bring that. I just want to bring it down a titch, just a tiny, tiny bit. Right there's fine. Okay, so I don't have enough battery power to turn myself around. This right here could be bad. This right here could, in fact, be devastating. Okay, what? Oh, I'm still timed up. Okay. 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 We no longer care. We no longer care. We are getting home. Okay. Is there... I could take another crew report. Is there any good science? I think I already have that one, so we're not going to keep it. Okay, we are going to, at this point, detach. We are just going to go ahead and warp around. Okay. And it looks like we're going to be landing in the ocean, which is pretty fine. Okay. Now, however, we again have 0 electric charge. Okay. We are just at the mercies of this game right now. At the mercies of the re-entry effects. But that is why we have 2 of these heat shields, one on the other side, so that our parachutes will not break off. Oof. So it did take 3% or 3 points off of our heat shield on the front, none on the back. Okay, so slow it down, slow it down. Since I took the... Oh, I can still do that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, can you take a crew report? You don't get anything for it. Okay, don't do it then. Okay, now go on down. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm just going to keep this up because I want to log the temperature when I'm actually in the water. And we're still way up at 12,000 meters. This is going to be a while. This is going to be a very long while. So, have you guys heard about the shuttle that's going to come to Pluto in the next couple of weeks, months maybe? I think it's scheduled to land at or arrive at Pluto in July, I want to say. I'm not sure. Google it. Called the Horizons. New Horizons. It's exploring New Horizons? I forget. Let me. Exploring New Horizons. Pluto. Okay. So, it is called New Horizons, and it will explore Pluto, and it is a couple months out, and we're still 3,000 meters up. So, it launched back in January 2006, and it will analyze Pluto's atmosphere and composition, and we'll start turning out high-resolution photos, which will be super cool, because we don't actually know what Pluto looks like, so yeah, that'll be cool to see. Anything else cool? Yeah, it doesn't tell me when it's gonna get there, but that's okay. That is okay. Hurry up. Get me down there. So, we need some power generation. Okay, I'm gonna hit log temperature. It's only 3, but it's some slightly different, so let's recover this vessel. It's gonna be so much science, guys. So much science. 212 science. Woohoo! Okay, we also got a bunch of funds. He gained 2 experience. Did he go up a level? He did not go up a level. Dang it. And Bill Kerman still hasn't gone up a level either. Okay. Ooh, how long do I have 10 years to do that? I'll take that. And I'll take that. And these guys. This one wants to go orbit Kerbin, and this one wants to do suborbit. I'll do that just for money. That is fine by me. Rescue Shenrig Kerman from orbit of Kerbin. I will do that one as well. We now have to go get rid of some of these. Okay, so let's take a look. Is what's his face up in orbit now? Shenrig's wreckage. Can I fly that? No, I can't, but it's up there. It is discovered 14 seconds ago. Class A objects are the smallest objects and are easy that we are able to spot. They usually measure no more than a few meters across. Okay, that's cool. So let's go here. So we have plenty of science to do. All of these 3, do I actually want to do all 3 of these? I do want to do all 3 of these, I think. And now I do not have enough to do any of these. Oh, man. Kind of makes me sad. That's okay. We now can have... Wait, what? 2 hot thermometer? 2 hot thermometer? Why is it in both of those? I am now super confused. Ooh, there's the power generation. I would like to get you. So, what we are going to do is... Okay. How long do we have to rescue Shenra? Or whatever. Oh, we have 4 years? He can stay in low carbon orbit. He can stay there for 4 years. That's totally fine. Okay, so I want to do all of these right here, and I kind of want to do them off camera. We'll do rescuing of Shenra on camera because those are fun. But I'm gonna do these 2 just off camera real quick, or these 3 just off camera real quick, and we will be right back.